Short Stories 62. The Mysterious Market of Muddled Sounds. In a quaint village nestled amongst rolling hills and whispering reeds lived a young boy named Ted. Unlike other children who chatted like magpies and skipped with carefree ease, Ted stumbled over his words, his tongue a tangled mess in his mouth. Every ed that tripped from his lips emerged as a muffled D, leaving sentences slurred and smiles stifled. One crisp morning, Ted's grandmother, Nana Ned, a woman with eyes twinkling like fallen stars, packed a picnic basket brimming with buttered bread and berry jam. "Come, my dear," she chirped, her voice as melodic as wind chimes. "Today we shall visit the Muddled Sounds Market." Ted's brow furrowed. "Muddled Sounds?" Nana chuckled, her wrinkles crinkling like sun-baked earth. "It's a magical place, dear, where words dance and twist, shedding their stuffy sounds and embracing the joy of muddle." Intrigued, Ted followed Nana along a winding path, the dappled sunlight dappling the mossy stones. Before them, a clearing emerged, filled with vibrant stalls and curious customers. A baker hawked buttered baps baked just right, his D's bouncing like buttered dough. A cobbler offered mended moccasins made with might, his T's tapping like tiny hammers. A giggling girl peddled painted pebbles, picked with pride, her D's flitting like butterflies. Ted watched, mesmerized, as his muddled world seemed to melt away. He tasted the warmth of Nana's hand in his, the comfort of her silent understanding. Suddenly a booming voice filled the air. "Step right up, folks, for the grand game of guttural sounds." A burly man with a handlebar moustache pointed to a wooden stage. "Test your tongues, tickle your tonsils, and discover the delights of muddled magic." Nana nudged Ted forward. "Go on, dear," she winked. "Embrace the muddle." Taking a deep breath, Ted climbed onto the stage. The burly man presented him with a stack of cards, each bearing a word ending in ED. "Read them clearly, lad," he bellowed. "Let the muddle flow." Ted's heart thumped in his chest. He stammered, his D's and T's tumbling out like pebbles from a sack. But then something wondrous happened. As he embraced the muddle, the words began to sing. The D's danced and the T's tapped, and his voice, no longer burdened by expectation, soared freely. He read of spotted spiders spinning silken threads, of feathered friends flitting from leafy beds, of sun-kissed seeds scattered in fertile fields. With each word the crowd cheered, their faces alight with joy. For the first time, Ted's muddled sounds weren't a burden, but a badge of honour, a melody unique to him. When the game ended, Ted took a bow, his heart brimful. He wasn't just Ted anymore, the boy who stumbled over words. He was Ted the Muddler, the master of muddled sounds, the poet of playful pronunciations. Leaving the market hand in hand with Nana, Ted walked with a newfound confidence. He looked at the world through muddled eyes, seeing the rhythm in raindrops, the rhyme in rustling leaves, the melody in every spoken word. From that day on, Ted embraced his muddled sounds. He sang songs of slurred D's and whispered tales of playful T's. He taught his friends the joys of muddled magic, the freedom of embracing imperfection, and in the quaint village nestled among rolling hills and whispering reeds, the sound of muddled speech became a symphony of joy, a celebration of individuality, a reminder that the most beautiful melodies often arise from the most unexpected places. Vocabulary notes. Nestled, situated comfortably and securely. Quaint, charmingly old-fashioned and picturesque. Magpies, black and white birds known for their chattering calls. Dappled, marked with patches of light and shade. Crinkling, forming small irregular folds or wrinkles. Baps, small round bread rolls. Cobblers, shoemakers who repair shoes. Moccasins, soft slipper-like shoes made of leather or another flexible material. Pebbles, small round stones. Guttural sounds, sounds produced from the back of the throat. Handlebar moustache, a wide drooping moustache similar to the handlebars of a bicycle. Thumped, beat heavily and rhythmically. Fertile, productive and able to support plant growth. Brimming, filled. Story written by Google Bard AI. Image created by desgo.com AI. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed this story, please would you click on the like icon and take the time to leave a comment. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.